I'm confused how to start and what to learn. How to
Right.
there are so many people are teaching, but
Yes.
I don't know who how to like
Yeah.
everyone teaching like is different. So
Yeah.
how do I can like he's the person okay he can teach me like I was here okay and one more thing is
Mhm.
like I want to do freelancing.
Mhm.
So how can I start with first I want to learn the Premiere Pro editing completely and come to the freelancing. So how can I how can I do the steps? What are the steps I have to
Right.
take? What are the things I have to learn?
So I'll give a brief explanation, but उसके बाद थोड़ा context भी देता हूँ. So I
Uh,
understand this is a
I,
huge challenge.
can
Yes,
you
please.
explain English because I'm not I don't know Hindi much.
Okay, English. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll give some context before I answer the question so that you can understand better. So again, everybody has different ways of teaching, which is completely fair. And to be fair, I have a course in community as well. There's some people. I just took a session for the community, and I was taking a session on thumbnail design. So I have my own way of teaching. But how I teach and what is the way that is different is something I covered deep in the webinar. First of all, that I do. The goal is because a lot of people teach video editing for the purpose of teaching video editing. For me, video editing specifically, I teach for the purpose of how can you make money?
Yeah.
Because as a hobby, if you want to do, that's different. That's a very different thing. I want to, the goal of like my, even if you see the ad, I specifically say if you want to monetize your skill, because I want to attract people who want to learn it as a skill and monetize it. So that's completely fair. So I'll give you a simple overview explanation of what is my philosophy, like for the lack of a better word, of how I teach. So the biggest problem I see is two. One is people don't know what to learn. So they spend a lot of time on YouTube, self-learning, which is what I did also because there was no one to teach me. So I spent a lot of time. So that's the first mistake. So what I teach is in my community, I give direction. That is the most important thing I do. I give direction that, hey, you are learning this. No, you don't need this, learn this. That's the first difference. Second thing I encourage is feedback loops. Big learning, like if in school and college, if your teachers never checked your assignments, you would never know if you're learning or not.
Yeah.
But for some reason, we forget that in the real world. So in the community, my job is to see that, hey, people are doing the assignments, grading them, giving them detailed feedback and answering questions. Just I'll give you an example. There's a person in my community called Gauri. So she, if you know the basics, right, so you will understand. There was an assignment video that I have. So she was doing the basics like cutting, right? You cut the clips. So I had given her a regular video file and an audio recorded from a separate microphone. And she struggled for an hour on how to synchronize those clips. And that's what happened with beginners. And then after an hour, she posted in the community and got an answer in a second. And I said, why did you waste 1 hour when you are here? So that is my difference of I think like a lot of people, what they do is they'll go on YouTube and see what is the longest video they can find. So After Effects full course, 12 hours. Premiere Pro full course, 14 hours. I want to see how can I squeeze that in 1 hour.
Okay.
So that is my way of teaching. Is it right or wrong? I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. But is it effective? Yes. Most of my students who learn, they are learning at a very fast pace. And my job is to provide a lot of support to them. Motivation also sometimes, but also technical support. You're struggling with this is how you do it. You're struggling with it, and make the feedback loop faster so they can progress. And my job is to make them freelance editors, not just editors. So the goal is to replicate what is trending also. Okay, market mein chalta hai, this is what's working. Let's try to replicate this in this. So that is one way to do this in my opinion, or this is my way of basically. Is that a satisfactory answer?
Yeah.
All right. If you're a video editor who's already working with clients, you already have good editing skills, but you're unable to increase your income and you're stuck at 35,000 rupees a month, then I have great news. I'm doing a live masterclass on exactly that topic where you can learn how to attract high quality clients to you. I'm going to reveal exactly how I attracted the clients that I work with and all the mistakes that you probably are making, which are causing you to not get high quality clients. You can scan the QR code or go to the link in description and register for the next live masterclass.